etunga rengesa bui diau adumu na mukiani na titai na Etolosi Gospel Care Ministries called Vision Terudo Beyond. Aponi bere ichora etunga kirono angaleu itoso maite jili eroko idaritos adumu na mukiani kanejas imuroko onolwa pontos.
Ipali ki papa okada mo manikolo eden. Opone abu papa oki otwana otomo moyo. Osala kinido adamu ejarike ribori ya reiboni. Akwana keda etaulo ajaran leba samusugunu be the living soul. Apolo ke sala ke jarike ribori ya reiboni lu abu ore do ekedo ekereto ni joto na engo onwalite otwanite otoma moyo. Opone Nyesi mamujo keda yengo lwe twakiti otomo moyo ipedora rucho kini kede deke polo kebe ija ujo Kristo tomota ukoni Kristo ngonlo ira ijara ebuni do ayna kine koni emoyo dala etwaniti nyo ijara.
Always about sharing the gospel with them. After they go with the gospel, they go to the doctors. So maybe about 3,000 in a week. That's what we usually around numbers what we would do. With the people, and we're 11 in their team.
Dr. Damanis Aguayo Nyesapalebe Kotoma Awanya Narikech Apotisha Utebe Ipu Nui Itungalwe Jatatarikeda Adekitilianikeda Nuche Adekasinei.
A lot of high blood pressure, a lot of diabetes, a lot of pain because people carry their things, you know, on the shoulders, on the head, especially the women. So pain. And infections, a lot of malaria and sexually transmitted diseases. We tell them the medicine that they need to take, but many of them, they don't have money. So something that would help the people is for the government to give them free medicine. Medicine for diabetes, medicine for high blood pressure, medicine for malaria, all that, and for chronic diseases, infections. Really, the government could help a lot because many of them, I ask them, why are you not taking your medicine? Because I don't have the money to buy the medicine. So we give the medicine here, but it's only for a short period of time. So two things. One, people in Uganda in general, they do not drink enough water. And I understand because I have seen the lines to get water. So they just don't have enough water in their homes. They don't drink water. So that doesn't help the body to eliminate any kind of bacteria. The other thing is that men have several women. So when men have several women, then that causes a problem because they contaminate. Ideally, it would be one man with one woman, stay faithful. That would solve it.
Esisana kinan Asiomani Bible Oriented Local Gospel Care Ministries James Osako Loko Gwiningora Nesabala Adawelionget Ikari Kaj Jana Kini Amukiani Kangoli Ekaru.
I more injiri loka Kristo Adekasinei. So isoma kwa na ikaru Adekasinei. Unikaru kolapalo ongonet Epuresa musugu na sota imorkikim. Ai nakin borolu jar agweli kiai sota mukiani tu. Neda mukiai tunga wepo mukesi tunga depar akwata kanyi apara.
Ekariete adekakada kanu ejana kinelo atitai.
Kanwanya ojo boro keren miriebete jo pressure inywari bosine npipue wanyanarte kesi. Era mukiana atai shalam kiti serio ngeta
chani ngaola noi. Jodi wala jodi kone nyama di sita nyama ta daunu akoy. Urria bi akoy ke. Ayana na wike. Ya bodo bera ta iliki.
Chano ado kitosenga riebe akuan. Mama Jo. Au wala kitai wala. E kamare rengo ayana kinike.
Tutanga kapwana. Ai tia kongoki. Konga. Sepilo mamaje yala mata iyo muke mamji yala mki
wanyanarti kela konye neda ejana kinere ichie agalibidini akwenya ejog kanwa TV East tolbate daiti ko Vision Terudo Kongora District.